In today's video, I am going to teach you how to start Shopify store. By the end, you will have a Shopify account created, a plan option selected, and your online store set up with a name so you can begin building. First, open your web browser and go to shopify.com. Make sure you are on the official Shopify website before you continue. Once the page loads, look for the option to start a free trial. Shopify typically places this button near the top of the page, so it is easy to find. Next, enter your email address in the sign-up field and select Start Free Trial. Use an email address you can access right away, since you may need it for account verification and important store notifications. After that, you will create your account. Follow the prompts on screen to set up your login details and create a password. Choose a password that is strong and unique and save it somewhere secure. Take your time here because this account will control your store settings, billing, and access to your storefront. Once your account is created, you will come to the area where Shopify asks about billing. Choose the monthly billing cycle. Shopify sometimes offers a low introductory price that applies to monthly billing, often shown as a special deal. If you are not ready to commit to a paid plan yet, you can skip choosing a plan at that moment if Shopify gives you the option. But selecting monthly keeps things simple and flexible for most new store owners. Now you will set up your store itself. When Shopify asks what you want to create, choose Online Store. This tells Shopify you are building a storefront where customers can browse products and place orders online. Finally, create your store name. Pick a name that matches your brand and is easy to spell and remember. This name is important because it can appear in your store URL and in customer-facing areas of your site. If your first choice is unavailable, adjust it slightly while keeping it clear and recognizable. Once you complete these screens, you will be inside your Shopify admin dashboard and ready for the next phase of building your store. And that covers everything you need to know.